Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Richard, your virtual classroom coach, and in this video we're going to look at how you can get Zoom for free. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button, and that way we can keep in touch and you'll be the first to know when I drop in a new video. There's all sorts of webinar products available, but my software of choice is Zoom every time. And I've used other platforms over the years, but I must say I do love Zoom's ease of use, yet it still offers a real rich suite of functionality. And I also love it because it works on both Microsoft and Apple, software and hardware. And for the end user, it's truly device agnostic. In other words, it doesn't matter what device or browser is being used by your participants, they'll still be able to tune in every time. But more about Zoom in other videos. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of getting Zoom set up for free, and this means you can then get to grips with it, practice on friends and family, and really decide if it's the platform for you. And then you can always upgrade if you choose. The prices are great, and you can just commit to a monthly rolling subscription if you wish, which means you can cancel at any time. Alright, let's sign up. So here we are on Zoom's main page. Just click on the sign up, it's free button, fill in your date of birth, and once that's done, simply press the continue button. Fill in your email address, and if you prefer, you can sign up with Google or Facebook accounts, or just press the blue sign up button. At this point, you'll get an email sent to your email address, so go through the process of confirming that. And then you're into Zoom. So this is where you put in your personal details. This does include creating a password. Really helpful system here. Those red lines turn green when you satisfy the criteria. And again, just reconfirm the password, and that red line will turn green when you're correct, and press the orange continue button. This is where you can invite friends and family to Zoom as well. In this case, we'll choose skip this step. And there you go, you've got your first URL in blue there, which you could copy and paste and send to somebody else, or you can just press the start meeting now. For now, we're going to go on to my account, and this is where you got your account page, so all the details you gave when you set up, and on the left there, lots of different settings for your profile, meetings, webinars, recordings, extra settings, and administrative access as well. So all sorts of options on the left there to change the settings in your account. Just make sure your date format there is to your choice, so month first or day first, depending on which region you're in. Plans and pricing, by the way, just click on that at the top and you can see all what you're getting for free on your left hand side. So all of this, up to 100 participants, unlimited one-to-one meetings, 40-minute limit on group meetings, unlimited number of meetings, ticket support, video, web and group features, as well as great security. But then you can see to the right of that there are options to go pro, business or enterprise, and there's always monthly options, so you don't have to commit for any longer than you want to. That's it, we're signed up to Zoom for free, so get stuck in, have fun. In the description below you'll see the link to sign up for Zoom for free, and also look out for other videos using Zoom as well, plus videos on how to become a virtual classroom champ no matter what software you use. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button below. Until next time, thank you for watching.